Good morning, class of 2021, parents and guardians. Today is Friday, May the 21st, and guess what? 19 days until graduation, and here's what you need to know. Number one, where is it? Number one, the last Zoom class meeting will be on Thursday, June the 3rd. Yes, this will be your award ceremony. It will be held at 10:10 via a Zoom link. The Zoom link will be dropped into Google Classrooms. Come out and find out who will win the top prizes. It could be you. Also, remember, graduation practice starts on June 4th. It's mandatory June 4th, June 7th, and June 8th. I can't wait to see you there. Senior Fun Week. Your officers have put together a great Senior Fun Week during advisory, May the 24th, May the 25th, May the 27th, and May the 28th. We are going to be doing Kahoot, Bingo, President's Choice, Tic-Tac Talent Challenge. So be part of the fun. Enjoy the last kind of fun week of school. Number 3, the exit survey. I said it before, I'll say it again. You must complete the exit survey to pick up your cap and gown. Again, you must complete the exit survey to pick up your cap and gown. The directions for the exit survey are in Google Classrooms. Brought to you by your wonderful counselors. The survey is in the student portal /Infinite Campus. Again, need help? Reach out to a counselor, or you can always hit me up at dmagasich@philasd.org. We're at number 4. Graduation is on June the 9th, 9:30, right here at Abraham Lincoln High School on the field. Students, you're going to be provided all of the information that you need to know about graduation at graduation practice. Remember, masks are going to be required, and we want you to look your best. So, finish strong, be well, only 19 calendar days away. Follow Insta at ALHSCO2021. I hope everybody has a restful and wonderful Friday. Be well, and see you soon.